For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
If you've seen any of my previous episodes, you know I have a soft spot for denim. However, one of my personal favorites is distressed denim. There's just something so grunge, edgy yet chic about it. You know, like that bling top that is just impossible to style without looking like you're ready for a New Year's party, like the one I'm wearing right now. Well, just wear it with a pair of super distressed denims and it will instantly make it look cooler. It'll dress it down. So today, I've decided to take my old pair of jeans and give them that much needed edge with some distress. As much as we all love new purchases, it's our worn-in, broken-in pieces that hold a soft spot in our hearts' wardrobes. The style of jeans I'm making today is the frayed hem jeans. All you need for this is your old jeans, of course a pair of scissors, tweezer, ruler, and a pen to make marks on where the cut is going to be. Start by marking how long you want the frayed fringes to be. You're going to keep the fringes really thin because that will make the look more messier and more distressed. Now, start by cutting the hem of your jeans in an upward direction. Go for thinner pieces as those look messier, and with the distressed jeans, the messier the better. I think I'm doing a really good job, guys. Okay, so now that we have shredded the jeans, it is time to thread them. Pull that painful tweezer out and using it, pull out the threads along the sides. Using the tweezer, pull out the frayed edges that the fringes made. And once you're done, throw your jeans into the wash and they will come out ready. Ta-da! These are my new frayed jeans. Well, almost new. You like them? With each subsequent wash, it'll get more and more distressed. So go have fun with your old pair and enjoy this new DIY. See you guys.